Okay, I thought I'd make a quick video here to let you guys know the installation for this Fogottie 170. I was struggling a little bit, and I was trying to predict what was going to happen. I was originally going to do this with PEX, and I just got tired of dealing with the flexible line in there and stuff. So I had some brass transitions, and I just went off of them and then copper. You can see this is all copper behind here. There was some brass 3/4 inch fittings. Everything on this Fogottie is 3/4 inch. I took that dinosaur out right there, and after reading the instructions, the standard manual on this, it says that you can use 90s, but I kind of tried to put these at an angle to get the exhaust here, and I went with the original line. That's a 3-inch exhaust. You're gonna have to have a 3-inch exhaust here, and everything at the bottom of the Fogottie here is 3/4 inches, including the gas line. And so since my supply was 1/2 inch right here, I had to get a reducer bushing for the gas line right here. You're not allowed to use a reducer bushing for gas. It has to be a bell reducer. That's gas code. And you have to add a electric line in your room, in your closet. So that took some time, but man, it was all well worth it. And then I put right here some hose bib connectors so I can flush my unit out once a year with vinegar. And I went ahead and used the old stainless steel connectors off of my water heater. They weren't in bad shape, and the gaskets weren't in bad shape. And then I had to add this 120 line here. So I put I like to use 4-inch boxes, and I went ahead and used a mud box connector. I need to get a cover for it. That's the last thing I need to do, but I'm really happy with it, man. It makes really nice water. I've got mine set on 123. 125 was a little bit too hot. Anyway, I went ahead and put a T in my copper line, and then I had to order. This doesn't come with it. None of this stuff comes with it. I had to put in this pressure relief valve, and then I went ahead and ran it, and I had run it. The other one went straight into the water closet, so I ran it so it doesn't ruin the house if it goes off. Anyway, that is kind of what I did. I'll back up here so you can take a look at it. And I'm in probably another $160 of material, and you know, I took my time and did a nice job. So it took me probably 4 or 5 hours to get everything done, maybe 6, including the electrical line, and my electrical load center was close, so I just had to drill through the wall and fish it through by myself. That took some time. Good luck. I hope everything works out for you. It's really great. The next thing that I want to mention before I get off is, if you see here, it says maximum gallons per minute of hot water. It says 4.2, and Fogottie advertises 7.5. So, ooh, man, that's not good. I'm glad I don't need that much. I was replacing a 40-gallon furnace hot water tank, natural gas, and that will give you 3.2 gallons per minute. So I'm going to have extra water, which is okay. And people can take showers back to back with this thing, so you can have 4 or 5 people take a shower and get as much hot water as they want, which is awesome. But anyway, this was feeding the back guest area that we have in our home. So good luck with that. Bye.